Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change the voice inside Waze app. Please make sure to watch this video until the very end so you don't miss out on vital information. In saying that, let's dive in. So the first thing you need to do is head over to your Play or App Store, search for Waze, make sure Waze is updated to the latest version. Once that's done, click on Open. Click onto the three bars on the top left hand corner of your screen, and you should see settings. So click onto settings, and here click onto voice and sound, and where it says Waze voice, click into that. And now if you scroll down, you got a lot of different options to pick from. I'm going to change it to Randy, English US. Once that's done, click on back, and there you go. Waze voice English US Randy is now activated. So that's it for the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and please consider to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you found this tutorial helpful.